Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start today's news. Alright, so the sports mole will be one of our monitoring spirits going to let us know say Juventus don't end their interest in Thomas Partey after Indo in thigh injury, because they feel say that's why they talk about his injury prone record. Say Juventus going to look all these things and now they don't feel say he did too much for them, no Congo they affect their own plans. So alternatively, then they look at Calvin Phillips of Manchester City and Pierre-Emile Højbjerg of Tottenham Hotspur. So those are their two targets that they look at presently now. So Calvin Phillips, they already start talks with the representatives. So this party, last me I know say na Saudi Arabia na go go. So unless maybe another European club come say okay, party come join us. But if that one no happen, Saudi Arabia not even be my own first choice, because now they will offer the most money for the player, because then they don't get any financial fair play and they spend money anyhow as they like. So I really mean I just say. Alright, so Kolo Toure also come as I come to say Bukayo Saka is the only Arsenal player where him see we fit to break into the invisible side, because we Saka they play fantastically well. The present Arsenal side rely on him so much, and for that reason he feels no he go fit break into the squad and play well, because I don't see who go feel say go fit mark Saka out when you know for the first level. Even if you know the first level self, no go the second level, you go sharp play an integral pattern. This is what it is. Alright, for the video setting, so make an attempt where you want to ask him how he takes see the match where Arsenal play against Burnley. So I think I want to talk. At some point, I think I want to tell the person the interview and say, you never ask me about VAR, about what is up now. Ask me now, not be only when maybe something go wrong. You can't ask me about VAR. Only when I have something bad or negative to say. Ask me now, because VAR they did a fantastic job. Everything they do, the day on point, the referee officiating, everything was okay, and make sure say they on TV. As that they carry me, put me for TV, show me everywhere while they talk all those things. Men are the same energy, show me. I don't know what they do, Baba, because all these journalists they look for how they catch up, say something bad. But when he turn to something positive, they're not interested, because you know say negative news, now the trend go far, now they sell where. So that's that I'm saying. You never asked me of VAR, so I can tell you about all these things now. So VAR do very well as they go viral for that last one. I shall post everything now. So that's it. At the same time, I think I'm going to talk about the injuries who gets to players. You know, say now when they go international break now, in 2 weeks' time we'll be back. So but back on the explain now, talk say the way things stand now. You know, so by December now we will play like up to 11 games. So we actually need all our players with the out to come back. Get very, very key, very important, because so many games to play. Look at now, Jojo said don't get caught. That one said don't come out. Everybody like people. Ben White is out. Partey, that one will take that one. Maybe the next year you get so many players who don't need actual injury. Look at Vieira now. That one don't collect straight red card now. 3 matches gone. So we need so many people to come deputize for us. You get so many people like say we don't dey somehow slim with our squad. Thank God say the international break come at the right time. So we'll see what will happen in 2 weeks' time. Even if they ask Ateta about Odegaard, they say Odegaard after the international break, obviously, it will be okay. It will not be quite alright. It will not be enough time for him to recover. In case I don't come back already, so more just see how things unfold. Alright, Ateta going to talk about the chemistry between Trossard and the Arsenal player. So you can talk say the chemistry. Yes, that chemistry is a word, a very good word, because he's so intelligent. He moves in spaces and generates space and options for others, because you get this understanding between Bukayo Saka and Trossard, because Saka assists Trossard goal at the same time. They can't even interview Trossard once and say, what is this thing about you and Saka? What would they see? Maybe say anytime when they go to find you, said you go to find and all those things. You can't they explain. Say he understand the way Saka they play. If Saka don't hold ball like this, in like that chemistry don't they go know whether should I move, should I come close to him, all those kind of, like the understanding is there, just like the understanding between Fabio Vieira and Martinelli. So now waiting Baba just they explain, and at the end of the day we'll see all these things come on the field of play. The dilemma is now going to be at the end of the international break, who's going to play top 9 for us? Are we still going to be using Edin Ketia, or are we still going to be using Trossard, because Trossard they give us multiple options, because in the bomb shot from outside, back, left and right, you know how you go take Markham. You get, so it is what it is. Most of the see how everything will be at the end of the transfer, this international break. Now they ask Arteta about scoring from set pieces. You know, say Arsenal this season we've scored the most goals from set pieces, because we watched that yesterday match we played against Burnley. We discovered that Tiki-taka cannot really penetrate that Burnley. What did we now do? We started going long. If you notice, we call they cross. Any set piece we will get to the user, and because probably I say Burnley, one of their weaknesses now crossing. They suffer from crossing, because see the way Saliba scores. Saliba scored his first goal, like the first goal at the Emirates Stadium, first ever goal at the Emirates Stadium. I think the same thing with Zinchenko, because they interview Saliba can talk good things. Yes, say people don't say they really score much. Yes, so that is why a teammates call they celebrate with that. They don't say him now once in a while in the score, so if they big. And at the same time, Arteta call the talk, say we have big lads. You get. So we'll make sure say Saliba they puts in like he's dominant on the air. Yeah, so we'll make sure say in they take the advantage, they leverage that in heights, they score more and more goals. Now we're saying I think that they talk about that because we have big lads and Saliba is a big presence. We've scored the most goals from set pieces, so it is what it is. And shout out to Nicolas Jova, because now the set piece coach will transform all these things. If not be Nicolas Jova, I wanted to score all these most goals. The fact that we score most goals in set pieces, and at the same time we did very stingy when it comes to set pieces against us. You get to always stand out, like not the ball come out, do the position our players, the blockers, yes, we do very well. And that Nicolas Jova, that guy, nobody really mention about. That man is doing a marvelous job. Alright, so the Mirror, Concourse editor said Douglas Luiz is going to have to tender a transfer request for Aston Villa to entertain any sale between Arsenal and them, because Unai Emery don't get any plan to sell the player actually. So if Arsenal will really need to get him, then the guy personally go on leave. You need to tender transfer request. So okay, because it don't make sense to keep an unhappy player in your ranks. So that is the only way that will be sell the guy to us. But don't be do or die. Martin Zubimendi is still a good upgrade. We'll sell him, still young and can do very well. So many options out there. More just to watch everything in January. But the Coco be said, do we have the money to throw around in January? 9 is the number one question. So if we don't get the money, we then go back, go borrow. Alright, so Paul Messi also come and second and say Arteta's playing Kai in the wrong position. Because say this guy have so Arteta they play for midfield. For him, see this guy is not a midfield player. He's 6 foot 4 inches, which means he's very tall. So a center forward will really figure out. He will really like give us a different option what we don't really get for that place. Because many people don't complain now, Kai Havertz is too slow, it's too clinical, it's too this one, it's too that one. So Baba look at what are the alternatives, what are the options out there for Kai Havertz to play. And you can't play him in number 10 because only God knows that's how can CHUKS in there. So now the options for Messi in the top. For me, I don't really have a problem. I know say normal for complete everybody do okay. Kai Havertz nobody first 11. So anytime you see Kai Havertz in the first 11, it's either somebody is missing there or we needed to rest that person. So or that match not that important. That is the way with me I see him. So he's a squad player. We don't have a choice. We don't buy him, so we don't buy him. We have to manage him until people come back. Imagine say we'll buy a Martin Zubimendi or Douglas Luiz or any other super Fofana or a good midfielder. Do you think we'll be playing Kai Havertz there all the time? No, now we're going to make cameo appearances 20-25 minutes until he acclimatized to our style of play and just tweak the way we're in the play. So now the way we are this year. Now the Sunday Mirror, when they come outside and let us know say Arsenal they interested in signing Julian Brandt of Borussia Dortmund. Now Julian Brandt has scored 4 goals, made 4 assists in 11 games this season. The guy is hot on fire. It's like the fire things, they do things. So I know the first time we don't link to Julian Brandt, he don't pay. We don't follow this guy. They come. The guy is good, a very good midfielder. But what are the odds that is going to join us this season? So much of the world. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you watch us on Facebook, and you never follow us, wait till they wait for now, Baba subscribe. If you watch us on YouTube, you never subscribe to our show. Because many people they complain, say if we go live, they know. So after the show don't finish. Yes, because you've not subscribed. Subscribe and hit the notification button so that anytime we go live like this, you go get the notification on your phone. Say bang, CHUKS Arsenal TV is going live or GFL TV is going live. So it will be very easy for you. So if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Now get out. Happy Sunday.